Did you know with your parking ticket, you don't have to go and stand in the queues to pay for your parking ticket? Let me show you another way to pay for your parking ticket. Right everybody, let me show you an easy way to avoid the queues paying for your ticket. It's as easy as this. You see there is a Zapper code right on your ticket. All that you do is, if you have the what you might call it, you go into your banking app, right? You scan to pay. It's as easy as that. As easy as that, everybody. There you pay for your ticket. Here you see 10 Rand. There you go. Here's your ticket paid. Here we go. 10 Rand. Don't look at my 10 Rand available balance. As easy as that, everybody. Exclusive for the urban cruiser drivers.